Hi, name's Danny Peace, and I'm going to do a video review of the Start a Home-Based Plant Nursery and Make Thousands in Your Spare Time by the one and only David the Good. Highly recommend this book. Let me give you a shot of this right here. Hopefully you can see that. Proof I got it. I did buy it on Amazon. It should be verified. First thing is, it's a good, short, to-the-point book. He is giving you a great guide, a great starter into how to start your own home-based plant nursery, as the title says. It also says it's the easy way to do it. And my experience with David the Good is his books are very engaging, very informational, not pompous, and they're just easy to follow. He doesn't mince words. He doesn't waste a lot of time. He's got a lot of anecdotes in there. He's a funny guy. And I highly, highly recommend this book. It's a very quick read, but I think it does a great job as being a good, quick reference. And please buy this book, and please check out the rest of his stuff. I have not been disappointed by one book. I believe I have got most of his books either on Audible or physical copy. I like physical copies just in case, your Audible subscription gets suspended for any reason. You have the physical thing, and that's mine. I never have to get rid of that. Please buy this book. It is great. And also follow him on his blog on thesurvivalgardener.com. And it really, all of his books tie in together, and his blog is available for you to read. He is very responsive when you send him questions, and very knowledgeable. Hope you found this video review very informative. Thank you very much.